Today we're going to do a head unit install. Putting in this Kenwood. We got the GM antenna kit. We got the wiring harness. And we got the stereo installation kit. So, let's go ahead and get started. We are replacing that ugly thing. It's even missing the knob. Gotta get rid of it. Next thing we're getting out of the way is we're gonna go ahead and wire up the harness. Do not cut the factory harness in the truck or car, in any vehicle. Don't do it. I know you want to. Don't do it. This whole kit with everything, the harness, the antenna, the dash kit, it was like 14-15 bucks. It's cheap. Do it right. Alright, go ahead and cut your ends. And all we're going to do here is color match. So, purple goes with purple. Whoops. Purple goes with purple. I know that looks like blue on the camera, but it's not. It's purple. Yellow goes with yellow. Red goes with red. And so on. You have purple, gray, green, and white. Those are all your speakers. You got yellow, red, and black. You got ground, positive, and then constant is the yellow. All you're going to do is color match those with the harness. And then this is just going to plug into your factory harness on the truck. So there's no cutting. Any ones that are not used, like these orange ones here, the blue one, the single blue one, that's for your amplifier. What else? I think that's it. Those ones, just because they are exposed already, you want to go ahead and use a cap. Cap them off so that way there's no electrical shorts or anything in the truck. So each color is going to have a solid green or a solid gray, solid purple, solid white, and then there's going to be a black one. So green and black, or purple and black, gray and black, white and black. So you need to make sure that you match those ones up correctly. Alright guys, so we got everything capped off. All appropriate wires are connected. So this is going to make everything in the truck a lot easier now that we got it done on the workbench. We're going to move over to the truck and get the dash apart and get the old radio out. Alright, so a couple of the steps here, we're going to have to remove this dash bezel. Goes all the way across around the stereo there. You got to lower the steering wheel to the lowest position. You're going to need the key. You insert the key and pull the shift lever down to the lowest gear. That way you can get it out of the way and you can get the bezel out of the way. Just slowly work your way. Be careful not to break anything. It is extremely fragile. Very easy to break. Pry all the way around. So we got an aftermarket switch here, so we need to make sure that we get those wires unplugged. Alright, so we got those unplugged. Just pull that up and over and set it aside. Get that annoying thing off. Alright, so now that we got all that off, sorry about the glare guys, I'm trying to combat it. Now that we got that off, how do you get the radio off? So right here there's a tab. You just press down on that and there's one on each side. So you got the other one right here. So just use both of your hands. I can't show it on here, you know, using one hand, but press down on that one. Press down on that one and it'll slide right out. Alright, so you got to push these down, all the way down until you hear a little click. And that's when you can start pulling it out. Now we're going to start disconnecting the harness from the back here and then the antenna. Alright, so the antenna just pulls out, and then the harness here has a little tab that you press down on. You just pull it right out. And we got that out there. So this is why you need the adapter, the antenna adapter. Because this is not just a standard plug that fits into the back of the radios. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and take your adapter. And plug that in there. Alright, so we got that in there. Everything's connected. So now we're going to put the dash kit in. That should just clip right in. Alright, so you just make sure that the kit follows the guides here. So it's going to slide on over it and under it. And then it's going to clip into place. That's how it should look. That's how it should look. Alright, so now we're going to install the aftermarket stereo holder, the sleeve. We're going to get this placed right in here. And then we're going to press out these tabs to lock it in place. Alright people, that's why you don't follow the instructions that come with the kit. Because they had me insert these plates in there and didn't fit. So luckily they pull out real easily. We're taking those guys out because this did not fit. Alright, so now that we took those extra plates out that we didn't need, now it's fitting. And what we're going to go ahead and do is just use a flathead screwdriver. And the tabs that are closest to the dash kit, you're going to go ahead and press those down just like that. And press them down as far as you can, so that way it locks into place. So I got the tabs all pressed down, as you can see there. So now we're going to go ahead and slide the stereo in. Make sure to always test it before you start putting stuff back together. It's always a good idea too. Sounds good. Alright, so right here you got little guide pins that fall into place into these holes. Make sure they all go back in properly. And then all you're going to do is work around the edge and just gently push it back into place, and you'll hear each one clip. Alright, so if you're having issues with the dash kit sitting flush, what you gotta do is really push it in. So, I mean, I put my hand in there like this with the palm of my, the bottom palm of my hand, and press it. I mean, you really gotta force it. And now it's sitting a lot more flush. So I'm anticipating the dash going back on a lot better now. Alright guys, well that's about it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.